Drywall joints cracking repeatedly is super annoying, but you can totally fix it with the right tricks that actually stick. So, first off, when you're dealing with those cracks at drywall joints, don't just slap on regular paper tape and call it a day. You want to grab some fiberglass tape or mesh tape instead because it's way stronger and won't tear as easily. Next up, make sure you apply a flexible joint compound over the tape, not the regular kind, because it moves a bit with the wall and stops cracks from coming back. When you put on the compound, do it in thin layers and let each one dry completely before adding the next. Patience is key here. Also, sand lightly after each layer to keep things smooth, but don't go too crazy or you'll mess up the tape underneath. If you notice any gaps or holes, fill those in carefully before taping. Another tip is to keep an eye on humidity levels in your home because too much moisture can make joints crack again. Lastly, if your walls shift a lot or the house settles, consider using corner bead and reinforcing those spots to keep everything solid. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall joints cracking repeatedly is using paper tape instead of fiberglass or mesh tape, which just isn't strong enough to handle movement. Fix that by switching to fiberglass tape that resists tearing and holds up better over time. Another common issue is slapping on thick layers of joint compound all at once. This slows drying and can cause cracking later. The fix is to do thin layers and be patient while they dry fully. Lastly, ignoring the flexible joint compound is a big no-no because regular compounds are too rigid and crack when walls move. Make sure to grab flexible joint compound designed for joints that flex a little. BigHomeProjects.com is really handy because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like drywall repairs. Plus, it's great for contractors too. They can get more work by connecting with people who need projects done right.